welcome to my kitchen. My name is Gala from Galainthekitchen.com. Today I'm going to share with you how to make butterfly from lemon. First step, I'm going to cut piece from the top of lemon to make antenna for my butterfly. Now I turn around my lemon and cut the bottom. Next step, in my opinion, most important, because I cut out shape of my future butterfly wings. The cantaloupe butterfly on the photo, I make the same method. I like divide my butterfly with two cuts, first from the bottom and next from the top, because if we make straight cut into half, it's so hard to make even cut. My butterfly is ready and I need make simple cut to attach it to my glass. Butterfly from lemon, great garnish on a glass of lemonade or other summer cocktails. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.